Hello again. In this video we're going to look at line graphs, which is the second option down on our graph types. Very similar way of doing it as we did with the bar charts if you saw the last video, but we click line graph. Our axes are already laid out for us, and just like before we can edit them axes, so we can change the values we've got at the bottom, or the values we've got at the side. So let's just put that to 50. You can show the numbers or not. I'd probably say to get the marks that they're going to want to see where the numbers are, and click OK. Obviously the difference with this one is we're working with a line as opposed to bars, and it's very simple. We just hit on this white cross here, create new line, and then we start plotting, but based on the data that you've got or the results you've come up with, we just plot it all the way across like that. So you're just really reading off the answers that you've got and plotting it, and it will the software will sort of do the rest for you, and that's really it. As opposed to I mean, what they're also going to be looking for is a heading, so you can put in a text tool and you can do a heading at the top, and then a heading at the bottom and the side to show what these values are all worth. If you've made a mistake on the line, you can just hit the red button, which is delete point. So I could, let's say this one was wrong, I could take that one out and it would delete it. I'll take this one out. It's quite a simple enough process that if you were to make a terrible mistake with the line, you can just undo and take it all the way back until you're at the start, and then create a new line. There is an understanding sheet that is available on the one file, or your assessors will have it, that goes through line graphs, but in terms of using the software for it, that's pretty much it. You're just hitting the white create new line and you're just clicking across the page, marking the points as you go. As with the bar charts, what they're looking for to get the full marks, so here we've got that it's worth 5 marks. They're going to be looking for the accuracy of the data and the accuracy of your answers, but also that it's neatly laid out and it looks smart and tidy and everything's labelled properly. So for example, on this one it might be they want, let's say these are, let me just click on there, it might be amount of days off work, and that's you've got to show what each of these bars are representing, and then again check your data before you submit it, because it's a lot of marks to get, and just make sure it's neat and tidy. If you've got any other questions, and as before, if you speak to your assessors, there is more information on line graphs that we can look at and go through with you, but that's pretty much it.